Welcome everyone, welcome guys to this amazing and fascinating beauty of this wonderful city. Wow, that's amazing. Jerusalem, the amazing city, the incredible and lovely city. Wow, it's a really beautiful place guys. It's amazing and beautiful. This great city, a lovely and fascinating city of Jerusalem.